Welcome back, guys. Today what we'll be doing is we'll be creating a new Azure AD group and we'll be adding the user we previously created to that group. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to portal.azure.com. Which I'm already logged into using my privileged account. This account has global administrator access. You will need some sort of privileged access to get into the portal and then another one to be able to create groups. I'm going to click on the Azure Active Directory icon so I get the blade on the left hand side. I'll select groups. I'm going to create a new group. Here we get to select the type of group that we are creating. For now, I'm going to create a security group. Later on, we'll go through and create a Microsoft 365 group, which will give us various other options. Let's call the security group IT team. And we'll give it a description. Maybe we can do something like all IT department employees are part of this group. We're not going to assign any roles to the Azure AD group that we are creating. We're going to keep the membership as assigned for now. Later on, we may decide to change this to dynamic, or we might create another group that is a dynamic group. A dynamic group means that we can basically have members join the group based on certain rules. So let's say, for example, if the user has IT in their department user attribute, then we can make sure that they join this group automatically, which makes the provisioning process a lot easier. Owner of this group, we'll make it myself. At this point, we can add members to the group. This is where you would add the members. I'm going to skip this part for now because I want to show you how to do it once the group is already created. We create the group. And now we have our IT team security group. Okay, so let's say we've just logged into the portal and we want to add a user to that group we've created. We click on Azure Active Directory, go to groups, find our group, click on members, and we can add any user we want. So let's say we add, let's add my GA account or any other account we have in the directory. The user is now a member. You can also use this configuration page to go through and look at the properties of the group. We can look at the owners of the group. We can see any groups that this group is a member of, so a nested group. We can assign licenses. So this is like Microsoft 365 licenses. Applications, we can assign applications or see any applications that this group is assigned, and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching. That's how we create a group and manage the group. Next time we'll create a Microsoft 365 group, and we will do something more interesting with it, like assign a team to it or potentially a license.